Another Epicflows Production.
Deardream. I'm not normally sending things, but this need crowd. Please, me, I beg you. Hide me ID. Please hide me ID. Me just upload a picture on my WhatsApp status, and when I go through, to see who view it. Guess who me see? No, my name, me see. Me did save her number for CRDP. Ratted. Me did think of me alone save her number. Why story come to bump? It look like she saved for me too. Nobody come bash me to mom must go drink no bleach. But yes, I'm me at the side, y'all. Dreamers, I'm me named Petty Sue, Wanna think me if put up a picture with the man and say hashtag MCM Man Crush Monday?
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Radical epic. Zin, Leash, big bad boy Jamaican, Kingston.
Yeah.